On this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp status glitch or problem easily and fast. So all what you have to fix this problem is so easy. Just go to the Play Store and then search for WhatsApp, and then here you will find this update option. If you found it, that's mean that you don't have the latest version of WhatsApp, and you should click on update to update your WhatsApp. And yeah, after you update it, you must go to the home page and then restart your phone and reopen it, and the problem is gonna be solved. And if it's not, then you might go to the settings, go to the apps, WhatsApp, click on force stop. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video until the very end. See you later.